my thoughts on the Peaches 2 palette. I used all the colours in here. All the colours worked really well. I thought they all performed well, they went on well, and the shimmers didn't need to be wet to show up. The shimmer in my eye today is not wet, that's just dry. So that all went well. And my favourite colour would be this one, just because I really love that tone of orange. But all of them worked really well. Obviously you're going to get a lot of warm looks out of this palette because it's a warm palette. But I think there's enough variety to get a few different things going on. And I really enjoyed this palette, and I'll definitely be reaching out for it again. So if you're considering the Peaches 2 palette and you don't have the Peaches 1, then I would recommend this one. Okay, so we're on to look 5 of our 1 week 1 palette with the Peaches 2 palette. And I haven't used this colour yet, so I'm going to do a look using this colour today. So I think I will start out with this colour here. I'm going to put that in my crease. So there's my last look, look 5, with my Peaches palette. It's similar to the look I did in look 4, but instead of having the orange on the top and the pink down the bottom, I've got the pink up the top and the orange down the bottom this time. So thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye!